Alright my friends, so in this video we're going to be covering the world's top marketplaces that you can find products for your micro niche, okay? So, let's get into this video. And this is the world's top marketplaces to find products, okay? And like I said, we're chugging along here, and by now you should already know what your niche is, what niche you want to go into, and then how to select your products, as this is what we're going to cover in this one. So, I'm going to show you and give you some of the world's top marketplaces for learning, affiliate marketing, and resources for your niche, okay? So, these are the top for finding out what's selling in your industry, and then you'll create your own products while incorporating affiliate marketing inside your products, okay? Now, marketplaces for learning, okay? You can go to Udemy, okay, .com. You can go to www.coursera.org. You can go to simplelearn.com. You can go to linkedin.com/learning. You can go to skillshare.com. You can go to creativelive.com. And what you're going to want to do is you want to go to these marketplaces for learning, and you're going to find all different courses in different industries, okay? And you're going to want to find courses that are in your sub niche and see what's selling there. And you want to model kind of what's going on over there. And you're going to want to go in there and possibly, if you see a course there that you like, purchase that course, go through it and see what they're talking about. Take good notes so that you can create your own course very similar. And as long as it's proven to sell, it's going to be on this marketplace, okay? And you're going to be able to see like some Udemy and all, what's selling and things like this here. So, marketplaces for affiliate products. You can find affiliate stuff that you can incorporate into your course. And clickbank.com, okay? You can find them on sharesale.com, which has loads of different physical products in all different industries, okay? And on jvzoo.com, and these are the top 3 recommended. There is others, and you can search out like a private affiliate network if you wanted to do that, or even search out your favorite brand, see if they have a partner program or an affiliate program that you could get plugged into to help you with your ice cream affiliate money that's going to supplement after your course sales, okay? Now, you can get in, go in and have a look, check out these different sites, search out your sub niche, see what products are already on them online platforms that are selling, okay? Marketplaces, and you can check out products that you could promote on the affiliate product side of things as well. And these were the top marketplaces that you can find products that are already proven to sell. Now, before you go, I'll say this: look out for a company that has a product suite, okay? A product suite that you could promote, okay, and make commissions on multiple different products. Because if you want to pick a company and you're just going to sell their one product, it's not going to be as beneficial as if you have a company who has multiple different offers that you can promote, okay, inside your course, which is really cool. Now, these can be found by locating companies' direct affiliate programs. So like I said there, you can type in your favorite company's name and then type in affiliate program, and they might have their own direct one instead of finding them in any of them other affiliate marketplaces. Okay, you can also do it direct. Some of the best ones that you might find, some of the best ones you just might find on some of your favorite websites, okay, online brands. And I think it's over 80% of all businesses now have an affiliate program. So more than likely, your favorite brand that's in your industry is going to have an affiliate program that you can leverage inside your limitless lifestyle business, okay? Now, don't worry about getting approved with any of these affiliate stuff just yet. You might not get approved because maybe you don't have a website, but we can always go and get approved later. But as long as you do your research and you can see, right, these might be the affiliate products that you want to incorporate into your course, and then you want to go to them learning platforms, marketplaces like Udemy, Coursera.org, simplelearn.com, linkedin.com/learning, skillshare.com, creativelive.com. Go to these places to find courses that are already selling in your niche, okay? You're going to find loads of different ones, okay? And make sure and look for the ones that are like the best sellers, and then model what these ones are doing. for yourself, okay? Now, let's see. Different marketplaces, okay, for resources of where you can go and actually find more information about your market is Quora.com, where people are asking loads and loads of questions, and you can go in there and find questions that people are asking. The same as Medium.com, there's loads and loads of different content in there about any niche that you can go in there and learn and see what people are talking about, and maybe incorporate these different things into your course that are going to be like hot buttons. That'll be like, oh, people will be like, I really want to learn that. Kind of like we done with Cameron Limitless inside the Limitless Money Hub here. One of their hot buttons is the top money making generating sales funnel, which is coming up in tomorrow's trainings, okay? But that's one of them. Another one was your top skills to acquire. That could be a hot button. But you're going to find all these different subjects that people are talking about. Even answerthepublic.com. If you go into there and you type in your niche, you're going to find a wealth of different questions that people are asking. And you can take them questions and incorporate them into your product, okay? And answer them questions that people are actually looking answered, okay? So, make sure and go ahead and do your research, okay? And find products in your niche that are already selling online that you can model. Go and identify affiliate products that you can incorporate inside your course. So once someone buys your course, they're going to be coming in and learning these things, and you're going to have areas inside your course to where it just makes sense to naturally recommend products and resources and services that you can be an affiliate of. Then third is you want to do your resources. So you want to go in there and do some content research. So you want to find out what the main topics people are really interested in for that industry that you can incorporate into your course as well. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you the ones that I've chosen for myself, and they'll be more in the entrepreneurial market. And I'm also going to show you your brand positioning, so your online brand positioning, which is really, really cool one. We're going to be talking about your story and all this here kind of stuff. So this one, very short video. There's a lot of action steps in it. Take your time, okay? Do your research, find out what products are selling that you can model. Go and find affiliate programs that you can be a part of, just to know that they're there. You might get approved with them right away, but if you do, happy days. But you will get approved later on once you have your website and everything built. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and have a great one. Bye bye.